So a while back I came across some bees swarming around a tree. Now why do you think that is? If you said that there was a hive or colony nearby, good guess, but that wasn't the case here. If you said that the bees were foraging for nectar from flowers, also good guess, but this tree wasn't in bloom. So why were these bees here? Well, the reason was for these. Now if you thought that these were thorns, I'm sure these scale insects would be quite happy to know that their camouflage is working. These insects, which I believe are horned soft scales, any actual entomologist can correct me, are adapted to look like the thorns of branches. However, you can differentiate them from actual thorns based on the little frilly skirt at the bottom. That's a proper scientific term, trust me. And the fact that they're a lot more irregularly placed on the tree, whereas actual thorns occur in more regular intervals. These insects are kind of clumped and grouped weirdly on the branches. Excuse you. So why would these guys be scaling these trees for these guys?
Oh, brother!
Well, the reason is simple. To milk them, of course. What do I mean by that? Scale insects and a lot of other bugs that feed on tree sap produce something called honeydew. See, tree sap is very rich in sugar and low in other nutrients. So in order to get enough nutrients, these insects have to eat a lot of tree sap. But at the rates they eat the tree sap, they can't process all the sugar, so they excrete a lot of it in a sweet, sugary substance called honeydew. And for bees, this is good news, especially in autumn and winter when there aren't too many flowering plants around. Quite a few insects like aphids and other scale insects produce honeydew, and some other insects even farm them, like ants that might even protect aphids or mealybugs in order to harvest the honeydew from them. But this is the first time I've personally ever seen bees harvesting honeydew from a type of insect. So now you know that bees don't only forage from flowers and open Coke cans. It's unbelievable. Yeah, it bugs me, stings me even, to admit that I'm a bit of a thorn in your side. Yeah, I'll buzz off now. Please follow.